The ring pot, what I'm making right now, it's a very old, it's an old shape from close to 2000 BC, very common shape. They use it in very special occasions. When new relatives came home, on weddings, engaged, people use this kind of pots to serve the raki, oil, wine. Is the base of the pot. I can show you between, and they serve like that.
Perfect.
Of course, it must be burnished using a haluk nahal,
Of course.
and then with a chemer kvasim, this special brush, we paint. But I will show you another time because now we have to go to the mountain. Okay.